Okay, this is a test. Um, Today I'm going to talk about what occurred yesterday and the day before in regards to Bitcoin Cash being listed on GDAX. We're looking at was it BitFinex right now? This is out of Asia. I think it's in Taiwan or something like that. So yesterday, I was reading stuff online about cryptocurrencies, and I read something about Bitcoin Cash being listed for trading on GDAX. So I went over to GDAX, and when I logged in and pulled down the currency pairs, let me show you right here. So when I came over here to GDAX, you can see it's going crazy today. I don't even know what that is right up in here. Like, where's the data? They do freeze trading. Is that what they did? They froze trading. Anyway, I've been waiting to get out of this position. I made a bad decision yesterday. I should have did a little bit more research and shouldn't have been so trigger happy. But anyway, so I log in yesterday. I come over here and I look at Bitcoin Cash, and it says it's up 200%. It's at like $9,500 per BCH. So I'm like, damn, I missed out again, right? Because I knew it was at like 3,000 or something like that before they listed it. So I was bumming for a minute, and then I thought, you know what? Let me see what the price is looking like over on BitFinex. And so I come over to BitFinex, and it's at 3,500 right now. It's pulled back to 2,900. This is crazy. It's a good thing I don't have a lot of money in this. But so it's at 3,500. I'm like, oh shit, I can pull a exchange arbitrage move real quick. So I liquidated all my other positions. I think I had some Ripple, I had some IOTA, I had some EOS, and I had some Streamer. So I sold all them positions real quick, bought some Bitcoin Cash, then I transferred that to my GDAX wallet. When I was doing that, when I was pulling it out on BitFinex, it said that they were getting like basically overloaded with withdraw and deposit requests. So they said it could take up to 24 hours. So at that point, I was like, man. Oh yeah, and it said that if you cancel and try to reinitiate a withdrawal transaction, it's just going to take longer. So I was like, man, 24 hours. I might not even be able to take advantage of that price differential between these two exchanges. That was extreme. I should have known, but you know, what are you going to do? So anyway, I started doing a little bit more reading, and I found out that GDAX had froze trading at 9,500. Like this, the order book was, I think it was empty. And let me see what happens if I slide this window out. Not good. Okay, so there was another column on the right. You can't see it right now because how I got this screen capture for this browser window right here. But the column of numbers on the right looked like it was still live. I didn't pay attention to this. I didn't notice that this was empty. So I found out that they froze trading, and so I was worried that like they weren't even going to accept my transaction. Like I didn't know what was going to happen with that. I'm kind of new to this still. So anyway, when the order book finally came back, excuse me guys. So when the order book finally came back, I noticed the prices were at like 43.29 or something like that. The number up here still said 9,500. So I traded off that information. GDAX should have had something on their page right here saying that you weren't allowed to trade. You know what I mean? Because I wouldn't have liquidated my other positions and then transferred that money to this account. So I'm a little pissed off about that. And so then they open trading back up at like 43.29, and it goes crazy for a minute. Then it levels off. Then it runs up to like 40 something. And I I don't know, I think it hit like 4,300, 4,400, and since then it hasn't hit 4,600. I've been waiting for it to hit 4,600 so I could at least make $100 off that play I made, and then pull my money, liquidate the position, and send my money back over to Bitfinex. Because when I first started doing this trading, cryptocurrency trading, GDAX seemed like it was pretty cool, but then I started to realize it was kind of limiting. They only had 3 currency pairs, and I want to keep my options open, so I'm waiting for that to run back up so I can cash out. But the way this trading is going, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. It looks like they're trying to run guys out of the market over here or something like that. Because you look at what's going on over at Bitfinex. And let me at least get us on par with the same trading time frame. So yeah, it looks like Bitfinex didn't freeze trading, if that's indeed what that is. I'm looking at this area right here on the chart. You see on the GDAX chart that's missing. Let's go back over here. See, we got this big gap right here. I don't know, did they freeze trading? There's like no volume, so apparently they did, unless there's some type of, let me refresh the page, unless there's something going on with the data stream. A lot of you guys won't be able to get a Bitfinex account because they don't accept U.S. citizens as customers. If you try to go to their site, it won't even let you make an account. It won't even let you view the site, I don't think, anymore, because it detect that you're coming from the United States. So, okay, yeah, so obviously there's a problem with the data stream, because there it is, it's back. So they won't even let you create an account over on Bitfinex. You can view the site if you connect with a VPN and connect like from some other location, but now you need an invite code to even be able to create an account if you don't already have an account. And then also, you won't be able to verify your account and make US dollar deposits or anything like that, because when they try to verify your identity, they're going to find out that you live in the United States and your bank is probably in the United States, so they're not going to let you create an account. I got lucky and already had an account, so I was able to get back into my old account with this VPN, and I didn't need an invitation code, and so I can transfer cryptocurrency to this thing, and who knows what they'll do, like if they find out, if they'll close my account or whatnot. So kind of weary about even sending money over here. But all right, so that's what I want to do. I want to test out my setup and kind of walk through what happened. I'm going to be creating some courses for you guys, man. I'm a developer, so I've been studying blockchain technology, doing deep dives on it, setting up private blockchains with Ethereum, and studying containerization like Docker and Kubernetes. So I'm going to create some really cool courses for you guys, and I'll probably do some algorithmic trading type programming with Python or something like that. So show you guys how to utilize the APIs that these exchanges expose, and show you how to do some algorithmic trading. I'll learn with you, but I just want to let you guys know that's coming. All right, so peace out, man.